want to feel better. I'm not getting any younger, and my pants are getting so tight. I do know that nothing works if you do nothing. Walking is noted as the top exercise still, and there's no overwhelm of doing it right or doing it wrong, and no expensive equipment to buy. I said that already. This is how you actually get time to stay consistent, which is where the magic happens. Unlike putting up roadblocks like workouts that are too long and make you sore for days, please don't make me do mountain climbers and burpees. You have to plan in order for this to work. Okay, tell me how to do that. I'm listening. I go deep into the walk method inside the Walk It Off program, but let me give you the basics because it seems to be one of the biggest takeaways for members when they set up their plan. For example, Carol said, I'm excited about getting up in the morning. I realize how good life can be. I feel alive and alert again. Am I going to have to get sweaty? I really don't like getting sweaty. I get it. I was the girl who begged to get out of gym class. My son started school and I didn't have a car, so I started walking out of necessity. His school was down a hill, and I was mortified at the thought that people might see me walking back home up this hill, huffing and puffing and panting, and they might actually start thinking that I'm trying to lose weight or something. So I decided that I would take the other way, the longer way, that I didn't have to go up a hill, and it was through quieter streets, so I felt like nobody would see me. It actually took 3 times as long. It took me about 30 minutes to get home, but I felt safe. And what happened? I actually started to enjoy it. Nobody was more shocked than me to be looking at a much leaner, more grounded version of myself just a year later. All I had to do was walk. Let's face it though, walking can become really boring. And with a busy work life now, sometimes I feel way less than motivated. Yeah, but you always have time to walk from your desk to your fridge at least 4 to 5 times a day. I need more excitement and variety to stay consistent, to keep it on my calendar, to keep it fun and light. So I made a plan using all the knowledge that I gained as a fitness instructor and a runner, and of course, recalling what excited me about the first year I started walking, and I combined it into my personal walking plan. But most people don't even begin to plan because I have no time to plan. I'd rather just do it or wing it. And then when it all falls apart, it must be me. I blame myself. And maybe you're like this too. I can't do this. I have too much shit to do. Have you seen it all? I get it. So do I. I want to introduce you to a new way where you can be successful with the walk method. Because if you're feeling like everything you try falls apart or you stick with it for 1 week and then quit, I want to show you how to create a walking habit that sticks. Now, I'm listening. I can't promise that this isn't going to take a little bit of work on your end. We all know if you struggle with your wellness plan sticking because of time, then you definitely don't have time to try a walking plan that doesn't lead to the results that you're looking for. Whether that's better mental health or physical improvements, or both for that matter, because walking really does that. But this walk method, it's kind of like a guiding light, hey, for your walking plan so that you can lose weight, feel great, and actually do something for yourself without the guilt or taking a ton of time. The walk method is a bonus training that I created for members inside the Walk It Off program, but I'm going to link it up for you below. I think once you see how easy it is for you to create your own walking plan that sticks, you're going to start getting the results that you deserve. And you're going to see that it's not such an uphill battle because it's customized for you. Isn't it going to feel so good to put ourselves on our to-do list every day and see the changes in our mood and the mirror and our vitality? You can find the walk method through the link in the description of this video. And I'll see you there.